Idaanz Thundercloudz here, and I didn't start an intro, so this is a late intro. Basically today we went to IKEA, which is a Swedish furniture store. Looked around there, it's a really big one. We went to a place called Milton Keynes. It's a pretty high-tech city here in the United Kingdom, and then we went to a mall and went to a Mexican or at least Hispanic food restaurant and had some food. And then basically I was hanging out with some of my coworkers, and we had some good fun, and we even got a couple little pranks in for you that you'll be able to see. Now I'm back at the house. I got me some chicken fried rice right here. Oh yeah, I love me some chicken fried rice. Like right down the block is a really good Chinese restaurant. Knows me by first name. All I gotta do is walk in, he knows what I want, instantly pay, go on with my day. So now the rest of the day, I'm just gonna hang out, probably do some video editing of this, try to get this up today. If not, definitely it'll be up tomorrow. Yeah, that's it. So stay tuned. gosh. So I just seen the teaser trailer for Scare PewDiePie, which is what PewDiePie was actually doing in LA. The reason why, like, in his vlogs, he had some blood on his pants and stuff. Lots of people thought that he was gonna be in the Fear the Walking Dead because it's set in LA and there's blood and there was a bunch of other things and it's a TV show. Well, he just confirmed it wasn't The Walking Dead, but it is from the creators of The Walking Dead. So it's got that kind of, feel to it, and it's putting him into the video games essentially and having to play out these real world things. And just from the teaser trailer, I was just like, yes, because it's such a cool opportunity. It's like you had to go through a bunch of different horror haunted houses almost. I know playing a video game and actually being in the horror or the hearing the noises and everything, it's totally different. So the reactions ought to be really cool, and I'm so stoked to see that. And maybe I'll get a chance to talk to him a little bit about it the 24th, this Saturday, when I go see him up in Leeds, up at his book signing. I'm sure it'll be real quick. Get to say a few words to him or something like that, and thank him for his inspiration and getting me to become a YouTube partner and have a fan base, or try to create or work with a fan base. Really just have a connection that I didn't think was that possible many years back. So I'm really excited for this Scare PewDiePie. Give this video a like if you're also super stoked for the Scare PewDiePie video, or Scare PewDiePie movie, sorry. Just make sure you give it a like. Also put down in the comments what you think about it. See where that goes from there. So I just had to let you know that I'm excited for it, and I hope you are too. Well, that wraps up this video, folks. Thanks for watching. Check me out at freedom.tm/VIA/Idaanz Thundercloudz. Also check me out at facebook.com/Idaanz Thundercloudz. Give this video a like or dislike depending on how I felt about the video. On the right, you can check out my last vlog. Up in the top right, there'll be a little eye you can click on to go to that video. And like always, please hit that subscribe button, share, and comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.